If you happen to have some leftover fries or chips, today I'm going to be showing you how to make chips mayai, and it's a very easy and simple recipe that turns out amazing and delicious. I'm going to be using 4 ingredients and it's actually very delicious, so you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. This is a recipe for 1, so to begin I'm going to be placing a small pan over medium heat, add cooking oil, onions, cook until the onions are soft. As the onions are starting to soften up, I'm going to be adding in some green and red capsicum. Stir in. Let the capsicum cook for around 1 minute as I crack my 2 eggs. Add in some salt, I'm going to add in some black pepper to my pan, just a tiny bit of black pepper for some flavor. Add in my leftover fries. My fries were already seasoned, so I've just added a little bit of salt to my eggs so that the chips mayai can be fully seasoned. This smells very, very, very delicious. Cook the fries for around a minute, just to warm up the fries. At this point, this is how my fries are looking. So the next thing is to add in my eggs. Stir just to make sure that the eggs are set together with the fries. Press down a little bit. Let this cook for around 1 minute on low flame. After about a minute, I'm going to be flipping my eggs so that it can fully cook. I'm going to flip a plate on top. Voila. Transfer back the chips mayai into the pan and let the other side cook for around 1 minute. I love that you can actually tell that the chips mayai is very delicious just by looking at my pan. So I'm going to be turn off the heat first, and then I'm going to be transferring to my plate. I love how colorful and flavorful my chips mayai is looking, so you can have this for breakfast or for brunch. Yes, you can have this for breakfast because it's simply potatoes and eggs, so it's just perfect. So I hope you'll be making this, and I hope you will surely enjoy. Catch you on my next episode. Bye bye.